Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be at Palm Beach Gardens touring a new home they have in a luxury 55 plus resort community. So if you want to see more of what they have to offer, stay until the end and remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. So here we have the Isabella model by Toll Brothers. The Isabella is going to give you over 2,908 square feet under air, 3 bedrooms and a study, 2.5 bathrooms, with one of them being a Jack and Jill. And as soon as you walk in, you'll immediately notice the high ceilings, and from the foyer, you can access all of the secondary bedrooms before walking into the open kitchen and great room, which overlooks the extended lanai. But if you're looking for something more move-in ready or don't want to worry about the entire construction process, they have some homes for sale in this community. So if you want more information about those, or you want to see more of their homes, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you too. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the many beautiful homes here in Palm Beach. And as always, I'm gonna put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to make a move, wanna get an idea if this would work for you, I'm here to help you with that.